Silent sleepers on alert. Roxy checking on me, making sure everything's alright. Now I forgot something before I went to sleep. Don't want an infected wound now, do I? So I'm just going to balance the camera while I do it. COVID haircut and all. Remember, reminds me of death if I drink it. Cleaning blood test, hole in arm. Got no surgical alcohol. So I won't be going to sleep until the video's uploaded, and then that'll be on today's date. New day. As you can hear, I turned it off at the mains because I'm sick of it fucking waking me up, leaking in the night. In your bed, I know you're checking on me. I'm not drinking, not doing nothing stupid. Looking after my health, Roxy. Relax, guard the door. Trying to be quiet because of the neighbour next door, that side. I got asked by another neighbour. I saw the police van outside yours. I said, yeah, it went next door, I think. But they were seen over the road and all up there a bit. So I don't know what they're up to, but they are up to something.